going to make a bath bomb with Ceyla DIY, and I'm so excited to make a bath bomb, and I've never done this before. So now I'm going to open this, but before that I'm going to tell you what's the name of these crystals that is over here. Rose quartz, jade and amber, but amber is like orange colour, not yellow. They did it incorrect. They did the colour of the amber incorrect. I'm gonna open it. Can I show you what I wanted? I wanted the mermaid, the unicorn, and this cat one. But I got the ones that I didn't want. Sadly, I got from the boxes citric acid and bicarbonate of soda that has special colours that I'm looking forward to see in the water. A mini pipette that's so cute. Little coloured toys that comes from the bath bomb, the molds and instructions, and these little coloured crystals that are not crystals. Now we're going to put the citric acid by pouring it in this bowl. Now I'm going to add some water and take out the lumps while I'm mixing it. Oopsie. Now I'm going to add bicarbonate of soda. I can see pink. I think this one is going to be a pink one because I saw a bit of pink when I poured it. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get out the lumps. I'm gonna mix. Oh, I'm gonna mix until it's very good. Until I am going to take out all the lumps. I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna mix. I'm going to mix. Come on. I'm going to mix. I'm going to mix. I'm going to mix. And this is gonna be the pink one. I bet. I see some pink and it's gonna be good. Now I'm going to open this mold and take out the paper. And now I'm going to fill it with these crystals. And now I'm going to put this in. Now I'm filling this halfway. Now I'm going to put this toy in, and now I'm going to cover it. Now I'm going to cover it, and then I'm going to close it. to put in the water. It's been 2 hours. So now I'm going to put one of these bath bombs in this bowl of water to see if they fizz. But it's going to be ASMR. Shh, if it fizzes. And look at my bracelets. Pop it once. So I'm going to get the green one, and these two are going to be when I have a bath. I got my bath bomb out of the mold, and it looks like the ones I get from the shop. And it's so hard. So, guys, comment to Facebook or Instagram, my one, to say which colour is this bath bomb going to be. I guess it's going to be blue, because I got blue dots. Now I'm going to put the bath bomb in the water. ASMR. It's gonna just keep swimming, just keep... What? It's green! Right, I think there's a yellow thing in here. I love it because I got a surprise. It doesn't smell like anything, but it just sprayed me. This bath bomb, it's a fizzing one. I think the crystals are the colour. So I think this is going to be yellow and this is going to be pink. This turned out to be a pearly green. I'm so excited. It looks like the pearly green from slime paint. Right, look. I love this colour. It's beautiful. I just wish to have lots of bath bombs like these. You can collect these little characters. But I got the blue star. You can collect more than just one.